We've been told our entire lives that the Sahara Desert is a timeless, scorched wasteland, a place where life simply cannot exist. But if you look at the maps created by our ancestors, they tell a much more terrifying and mysterious story. We aren't just looking at sand, we're looking at the graveyard of a global superpower. Take a close look at the Herodotus map from 450 BC. At a time when North Africa was supposed to be a desert, Herodotus didn't draw endless dunes. He drew a landscape teeming with life, lush green forests, massive, interconnected river systems, and a series of sophisticated cities. Most importantly, he placed a kingdom called Atlantis, exactly where the Richet Structure, or the Eye of the Sahara, sits today. Now, mainstream science will tell you that the Eye of the Sahara is just a natural geological formation, the result of a dome collapsing millions of years ago. But when you actually measure it, the coincidences become impossible to ignore. The structure is 23.5 kilometers wide. That matches Plato's specific description of the lost city's dimensions down to the exact stadium. He described 3 rings of water and 2 of land. When you look at the satellite imagery of the Richet today, you can still see the circular remnants of those exact rings. The real problem for historians is the timeline. Modern textbooks claim the Sahara dried up over 5,000 years ago, long before advanced civilization supposedly began. Yet, we have medieval portolan charts from the 1400s showing trade routes through a green Sahara and cities that shouldn't exist. We used to think these were errors made by board mapmakers. That was until we used modern satellite radar. When we peered beneath the sand using radar imaging, we found them. Buried under hundreds of feet of sediment are the ghost river systems, the Tamanrasset River, which was once one of the largest river systems in the world. We found evidence of ancient settlements exactly where the erroneous maps said they were. This suggests that a global seafaring culture was thriving in Africa while we were told the rest of the world was still in the Stone Age. We are witnessing a massive disconnect between the physical evidence in the ground and the stories written in our history books. We aren't finding a new history, we're finally remembering the one we were forced to forget. So, the next time you look at a map of the world, ask yourself, what else is hiding in plain sight? Because a classic example of how we lose our history is found in the maps themselves.